evening, good morning, good afternoon,
wherever you're watching this from.
We are at beautiful Universal Studios Florida in Orlando because
it is the Steven Spielberg Summer Experience time.
And we are so excited. They have all kinds of pop-up experiences happening on. And also, if you guys know who we are, you know exactly also why we were here for. Okay, there was an announcement on Thursday.
There was a Halloween Horror Nights announcement on Thursday. We got our first official IP house, which we're super excited about, which we'll cover later.
Yes. Are we gonna go ahead and spend more time doing this, or are we gonna actually show them?
No, let's go check it out.
Okay, come on guys,
okay.
Let's go.
Coming into the park, I'm super excited because being a 90s baby, 80s, 90s baby.
Are you a 90s baby?
I was born in 90.
Oh, that's true. I forget that you're younger than me. Sorry. Go ahead.
Yes, I was born in 90. So like growing up with films like Jaws and E.T. and Jurassic Park.
Epic movies.
Exactly. Like, I'm super excited. So we're going to start off at the first place that I'm the most excited about.
Talking Steven Spielberg, what would you say is your top movie that you love from him?
Jaws. I didn't go in the ocean for like, I don't know, like 5 years after I watched that movie.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
You're literally an ocean baby.
And I'm from Orlando. So
that's
like, for me, the ocean's like the beach, that's what we do. Although we're the shark capital, bite capital of the world. So like, when she's floating on the float at the, just like chilling at Amity on the beach, and the shark is like, you know, dun dun it, like underneath, and you hear the music, and it's like dun it, you know, dun it, right? And then the girl's on the thing, and then she just goes away, and I'm like, yeah, never floating on a float in the river or in the ocean again.
That's exactly why I have never been on a cruise, because I have the biggest phobia of like the open water. Like, you never know what's down there. It could be anything, and I'm not willing to take that risk.
Literally.
Weren't you talking about that just now?
On the floaty and the dun.
Right here. I love this like little neon Jaws. Illustration is so cute.
Time since we have had the police truck here, and now it's back, which we love. So there's also a bunch of photo ops in the back here, and they have the Orca, which is Quint's boat that he actually went out and, you know, got that shark with, you know, tried to get Bruce with the barrels, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go check that out. Bruce, he's always here, but today and this summer is the time for him to shine.
Wait, how is Bruce shining this year?
Oh, he's shining because this is his lot. This is how he do.
I mean,
this is how
listen,
he keep it going.
He's large and in charge.
Yes.
That is for sure.
Yes.
I think I want an ocean attack. I've never had it.
You're gonna get an ocean attack?
Yeah, I've never had it.
Okay, let's go do
I
it.
feel like actually like not a real Universal fan.
Or not a real Jaws fan.
Both now, thanks.
Okay.
Beautiful blue ocean water going in today. Maybe a little buoy bobbing in the water. Ooh.
Oh.
And there's definitely sharks in these waters. But don't worry, it's just a little guy. Just a little gummy. He can't do anything to you. And the things you gotta watch out for are the sharks. Dun, dun, he's in for a nibble. He's in for a bite. Oh no! Chop, 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 chop. There's blood in the water. Chop, 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 chop. The grand reveal. Shark Summer.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, sure.
Okay, so as we're getting our ocean attack, they told us that the cousin to the ocean attack is the, what is it called?
The golden shark.
The golden shark. So we're gonna try it out. It's only here for the summer, so let's check it
Make sure
out.
you stop by and tip your bartenders.
Yes. And you get a gummy shark.
You still get the shark. Yes.
That looks delicious, actually.
We have the golden shark. It's Don Q coconut rum, Disaronno, pineapple juice, orange juice, and lemon juice for $16. And you still get your gummy shark. You have the original ocean attack.
I do, which is really good too. It has coconut, blue curacao, a little splash of grenadine. I think it has like a little Sprite too.
It does.
It's really tasty.
Also for $16.
Yeah, it's $16, but it's really tasty. This one, we might trade.
While we're here enjoying our ocean attack, and I can't remember what this one's called. Oh my gosh, we'll have to go back. But anyways,
Something?
was it?
I don't know.
I don't know. Anyways, while we're enjoying this, I want to talk about a couple of the things that are also happening in City Walk that are also kind of conjoined with the Steven Spielberg experiences around the park. June 20th starts the summer movie series at Cinemark. And they're going to show movies like E.T., Back to the Future, Jaws, and so many more. That'll be through the month of August. And also we have the summer music experience slash concerts.
Yes.
Which there isn't any specific bands coming like they do during Mardi Gras and stuff like that. But it's more so like genres. So you'll have like country, you'll have hip hop, you'll have
Broadway
throwback,
night.
you'll have Broadway
Oh my
night.
God, I'm so excited for a Broadway night.
I know.
excuse me, what? Also, the Retro Club is going to be changing soon into Pride Nights.
Yeah, so they're going to do a couple different additives to Coconut Club during Pride, which is the month of June.
Yes.
So that's exciting. That starts, I think, June 5th.
I think so.
Don't quote me on that, but I know it's the beginning of June.
We'll track back on that one.
Yeah, I'm actually excited because I don't remember the last time I saw like E.T. or Back to the Future or
In a movie
Jaws
theater?
in theater. I
No.
don't think I ever did, honestly.
No, I wasn't born for that. It was
No.
1982. So these movies have been out before we've been born. Believe it or not.
Yeah, so to see it in theaters would be, I feel like, be cool.
It would be super dope. Honestly, like it would be like what my parents experienced, I guess, in their
I
teenage
guess.
years, you know.
Let's go finally check out the Sinners merch.
We were there last Thursday and it was chaos, okay? Everybody wanted a piece of the merch and we were, you know, very thankful for the announcement and everything else, but we didn't check the merch and I think it's time for us to actually see it with our own eyes.
It's time.
It is time. Actually, by the way, Sinners is coming to Halloween Horror Nights.
Since it is annual pass holder appreciation days still, Addie has used her $5 merch credit. I have not. So we also haven't gotten the new carousel piece for Sinners. So that's what I'm going to use it on. We're going to go into Five and Dime and check it out.
Because apparently you can also use your annual pass holder discount on it.
Yes!
So that's a steal.
While you asked about art prints,
You're too late.
Too late. I'm too late. That's okay.
It's fine.
I'm still going to get it.
Hell yeah.
I can't say that.
So we got it.
Okay, so the merchandise credit is over. Apparently it ended on May 21st, which is okay. I still got my annual pass holder discount, so that's okay.
Perfect. How much did it come out to?
I have to look. I think it was like 15 because like it was $15.99 without the discount and then like taxes. So like I think it came out to be like right around 15.
Also, guess what we have right around the corner? It's the Steven Spielberg experience, and I am so pumped because I love E.T.
And we haven't seen it
I know we've been
because we were here the other day, but we chose not to go in because we
No.
wanted to get a good reaction.
absolutely like we wouldn't do anything without you guys, and that's how spoiled you are. Okay.
It's featuring Disclosure Day in here, right?
Yes, I love aliens, and Steven Spielberg has always made the best fantasy alien-esque movies and the best cast. You telling me you have Emily Blunt in this movie? I am sold. Please, take my money.
Golden shark.